इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस। तुम्हें वास्तव में खुशी अछ कि? आर यू रियली हैप्पी? आर यू रियली हैप्पी? से कथा शुणिकी दुख लगिला। सॉरी टू हियर दैट। सॉरी टू हियर दैट। सेथिपाई मु दुखित। आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट। I am sorry for that. तुमर जीवा आवश्यक। You need to go. You need to go. एको शीघ्र शेष कर। Finish it quickly. Finish it quickly. तुम्हें कौन कल? What did you do? What did you do? मु घरे अछि। I am at home. I am at home. एहाकु एबे कर। Do it now. Do it now. छाड़ ए कथा। Let it be. Let it be. तुमर सोइबा उचित। यू शुड स्लीप। यू शुड स्लीप। मो पाखकु आस। कम टू मी। कम टू मी। यह लेखि नियो। राइट इट डाउन। राइट इट डाउन। तांको सहित जाओ। गो विथ हिम। Go with him. मु तांको सहित कथा हेली। I talked to him. I talked to him. कुह। Speak out. Speak out. सेबेठु। Since then. Since then. सही समय रे। At that time. At that time. बुद्धिमान भावरे बाछंतु बा बुद्धि विचारी बाछंतु। Choose wisely. Choose wisely. किछि खास नहीं। Nothing special. Nothing special. मु असहाय। I am helpless. I am helpless. केउ प्रकारर? What type? What type? एहाकु छुआ नहीं। Don't touch it. Don't touch it. जे कौनसी भी समय रे। At any time. At any time. कौनसे भी मूल्य रे। At any cost. At any cost. एबे भी। Even now. Even now. फेरी आस। Come back. Come back. पाखकु आस। Come near. Come near. मो पई आस। Come for me. Come for me. खाइबाकु आस। Come to eat. Come to eat. तुमे एठी कौन करूछ? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मो सांग सहित कथा हेउछि। I am talking to my friend. I am talking to my friend. तुमे जलखिया खाइछ कि? Have you had your breakfast? Have you had your breakfast? ତୁମେ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଥିଲା ପରି ଲାଗୁଛ। You seem to be busy. You seem to be busy. ନା, ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଫାଙ୍କା ଅଛି। No, I am free now. No, I am free now. ଆମେ ଏବେ କଥା ହୋଇପାରିବା। We can talk now. We can talk now. 5 ମିନିଟ୍ ପରେ ମୁଁ ଫାଙ୍କା ହେବି। I will be free after 5 minutes. I will be free after 5 minutes. ଆମେ ପରେ କଥା ହୋଇପାରିବା କି? Can we talk later? Can we talk later? ମୁଁ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ତୁମକୁ କଲ୍ କରିବି। I will call you in the evening. I will call you in the evening. ଏବେ ପାଇଁ ବିଦାୟ। Bye for now. Bye for now. ମୋର କିଛି କାମ ନାହିଁ। I have no work. I have no work. ତୁମେ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ କେବେ ଆସିବ? When will you come to me? When will you come to me? ମୁଁ ପରେ ଜଣାଇଦେବି। I will let you know later. I will let you know later. ଯାହା ତୁମ ଇଚ୍ଛା। As you wish. As you wish. ମୁଁ କିଛି ଭୁଲ କରିଛି କି? Have I done something wrong? Have I done something wrong? ତୁମେ କିଛି ବି ଭୁଲ କରିନ। You did nothing wrong. You did nothing wrong. ମୋ କଥା ମାନ ବା ମୋର ଆଦେଶ ପାଳନ କର। Obey my order. Obey my order. ଏହାକୁ ଏଠାରୁ ନେଇଯାଅ। Take it from here. Take it from here. ନିରାପଦ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ରଖିଦିଅ। Keep it in safe place. Keep it in safe place. ମୋ ଉପରେ ଚିଲ୍ଲାଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. ଏହାକୁ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କର। Practice it again and again. Practice it again and again. Here is a question for you. ଏହା ତୁମର ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ। ଏହାର ଇଂଲିଶ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେସନ୍ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଲେଖି ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ। Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and take care.